Oh, thank goodness. Woohoo! So, Dylan just sent me an email telling me to show up to the secret range for a fun event. I see 10 guns and 10 what appear to be bottles of hot sauce and a target stand that appears to be 10 yards downrange. I wonder what we got going on here. Dylan, I'm sorry. He's sorry about something. This certainly must be my punishment for having the best job in the world. From the producer, XOXO, he loves me. Hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. But for every bottle you miss, you must take a drink of the hot sauce. A drink of the hot sauce. P.S. They get hotter with every gun. So I'm moving from left to right here. I see a Bond Arms Derringer way at the end. I guess I just set these up on the target stand and try to shoot them off. La Preparedness red taco sauce hot. This should be easy. I'm not gonna have to drink any hot sauce at all. I get 2 shots, starting with what looks like a Remington Fieldmaster 22 rifle. So, let's, all right, I get 2 shots. Are they supposed to be high speed shots, or do I just get to slow down and aim? Because at 10 yards with this rifle, oh, I'm a squirrel killer. I'm just gonna take another shot just for the fun of it. All right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What do we got here? Frank's. I put on everything. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. First shot was low and just knocked it off, and I threw the second shot away. Oh boy. Getting too confident. Oh, this is Norwegian hot sauce. This is ketchup. Well, we're starting to kick in a little bit, but genuinely not bad. Wait, do I get water between these?
Nope.
No water. That's starting to catch up to me now. Okay, so let's get back here. Load up 2 rounds in the Sig Sauer P322. That's starting to tingle a little bit. And I should have known when the bottle didn't just explode that perhaps I'd come in a little bit low. I haven't shot that old Fieldmaster in a long time. All right, range is hot. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Oh no, I can't do this. Oh, thank goodness. Woohoo! Okay, the Frank's is done. What do we got here? Tapatio. I should say that with a Spanish accent or something. Salsa picante hot sauce. Oh, it kind of looks like blood on top of here. What's the next gun? You know, man of my position and talent, somebody else should be posting targets for me, one would think. This looks like a Walther PPQ 45. Okay, great big bullet. Should do some damage. If I can hit this thing, it gives me 2 shots on the picante. All right, range is hot. Here we go. We're loaded and set. And oh, maybe we should have this on a timer. I'll try to do it fast. Whoa! Okay. I like the Walther grip. We're just gonna knock that one out. That was a devastating shot with the 45, and I did not want to drink that. So now we got the Walther PPQ in 9mm, and Cholula hot sauce original. I actually like this stuff. This goes on my eggs. Starting to make a little bit of a mess. Good thing we brought out the tarp. Try to keep the range clean. You know, I'm getting my steps in today. Again, I'm the talent. The talent should be not loading ammo. Okay, loading up, going hot. And one more time. Uh-oh. Okay, now I'm getting cocky. Oh no, I hit the post again. Trying to do it from the low ready. Yeah, put one right in the post one more time. Ew. Next time I'll just shoot the cap and spin it right off. You've seen that on the show. Still got a minor tingle from the left. This looks kind of green. Oh, that's hotter than the taco stuff. Oh, I'm starting to feel that one. Maybe I should run. Get those endorphins going. All right, so that was the PPQ. Next bottle, I should take the sauce with me next time. Chili garlic Cholula. Wow, this should just be tasty. You know what? I'm gonna prepare, peel off the top just in case this goes awry. One more time. Oh, I got some on my hands. My lips are kind of tingling. 38 Special. This is the Kimber revolver, the K6, I believe it is. Here we go. Range is hot. Single action or double action? I tell people to fight with the revolver, double action only. Oh, come on. Whew. All right. Salvage my reputation and a little bit of my tongue on that one. So, okay. What do we got here? Chipotle. Siete. Chipotle. One of my favorite flavors. All right, let's just in case. I'm gonna try to shoot the neck off this bottle because, you know, I feel like I'm that good. This isn't this is starting to be a distraction here. So what do we got here? Sig Sauer P220 in 357 SIG. I love the 357 SIG round. Smooth shooting, hard hitting, ready to go. And from the low ready, beep. Ooh, devastating. 38 Special Bodyguard. All right, habanero condiment. Hang on here, folks. Habanero condiment with a Smith & Wesson Bodyguard from 10 yards. I know everybody's watching, said I could make that shot, no problem, no danger here. Double action. Oh, within the same area code. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Let's take the cases out, do everything in my power to avoid walking down range. Let's bring this bottle next time so I don't have to make 2 trips. Blue agave srirachas. And my nose is starting to run from that last one, so let's see what we got here. Yellow Bird habanero. Dylan, I thought we were friends. Put this on our cleanup tarp. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I gotta hit that one. If that one's worse than this one, I'm in trouble. Oh, good Lord. It's a Ruger 380. I'm drinking that, I know it. Okay. My eyes are watering. I opened the ammo box upside down. Holy Jesus. Okay. My upper lip is numb. And my tongue is getting really saucy. Okay, well, it's got a big night sight. Maybe that'll help. Oh, you thought I was gonna shoot right there, didn't you? Before I let you know if I make that shot, I have a quick reminder that we have a surprise giveaway going on right now and it ends really soon. So click the link in the description to reveal what that is and how you can enter absolutely free. Now, back to the video. Let's see if I make that shot. Thank goodness. Make that safe. Proof. What's the plan for this? Just on the rack? Oh no, I hit the base again. Oh, I did hit the bottle. I did hit the bottle. It's right there. Thank God I hit the bottle. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, no, that's the only way to get this off. No close-ups of that, Chris, come on. That's actually quite tasty, except spicy. So this is called Truth. What do you want me to do with this? Hostage shot. Okay. So that's what he wants. Pepe the Pinata. There. Okay, William Tell shot with a Bond Arms 45 long Colt. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that last one, a nice flavor to that, but it's starting to hurt. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have to wipe my butt with a snow cone. Okay. All right, I can do this. My eyes are watering, my nose is running. That is a stout pistol. Whew. 230 grain, round nose, 45 Colt. Out of a, what, 2-inch barrel Derringer? Okay. Oh no, I think I hit Pepe. The bottle fell, but the bottle didn't break. Oh no. Yeah, I think I put it in Pepe. Can't find an entrance wound. Oh, right there by the eye. Yep, okay. Oh, Lord. So this is the Truth Serum, made with the finest chili peppers and infused with black winter truffle. Oh, I guess it's a little bit bougie as well as hot. Got the truffle oil. All right, here we go. Truth hot sauce with black truffle oil. Got a big glove. This came out. It was supposed to come out slow. That tastes really good, but it's really hot. Okay, so I don't know who wins or how I won, or I failed the 10-10 challenge here. I even lost count of how many pipes of hot sauce I had to eat. 10 guns. Oh, he gives me a bottle of water after. Dylan, you're so thoughtful. I'm gonna put this one right up here. 10 yards. Might be a little bit long for your typical combat distance, but you should be able to make your shots at 10 yards, and if you can't, you have a penalty. Thanks, Dylan, for teaching me a valuable lesson. I need to practice more with those fighting handguns at the longer range. And, sorry, my nose is dripping. I don't want to wipe it on my sleeve. I'll just leave it here like that. When you're training, give yourself something to shoot for. See what I did there? Make sure that you have some pressure on what you're doing, whether it's a timer, whether it's drinking hot sauce, whether it's doing something else. Get out to the range and mix things up. Have some fun with it. Explode some bottles. We put a tarp down. We'll be cleaning all this stuff up. The range is going to be better than we left it. But truly, add some stress. Have some fun. Get out and shoot more often. This is supposed to be fun right up until it's not. And when it's not, all that fun you had training will help you to survive. Thanks for watching. Click down below. Tell us what you do to enhance your training. And you know what? Dylan says if this gets 7,000 likes, we'll do another challenge. Hopefully something that won't hurt me quite as bad. I'm gonna have blistered lips in the morning. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay safe.